fries are almost done. So today about to be good eating. What? No, it's about to be good, girl. It's gonna taste good though. Hot dogs. He trying to close it up so we can eat.
Got the patties ready to go in the oven. On the grill. As you can see, it's raining and it's cold.
It's raining out here and he's still grilling. I told him no, it's too cold.
No,
wait, let me see.
You can see the smoke like we in New York. I just flipping them over.
It's gonna taste good though. Hot dogs. He trying to close it up so we can eat. It's raining out here and he's still grilling. I told him no, it's too cold.
No,
wait, let me see.
You can see the smoke like we in New York. I just flipping them over.
It's gonna taste good though. Hot dogs. He trying to close it up so we can eat. Girl down here, they up in there. Trying to keep warm. I'm up in here trying to get some broccoli on the stove. Trying to get some broccoli on the stove.
Are you wiping that table and if it's hungry, you need to bring that trash can over there so it can just fall.
Going to taste really good.
That way you don't have to worry about
Really
sweet.
good. And then the baby. She over here eating too. Right? Right, mommy, baby? Yana Makari King. Come here. Yeah, Mazaili. Hi, mommy, baby. Yeah.
Yes.
Just wanted you to say hi.
Hi.
Can't get them over.
Hi. Mommy, stop raining.
King, say hi.
Mommy, stop raining.
Yeah, it's raining just a little bit, right? Just a little bit, right?
Cheese.
You say cheese?
Cheese. It's super cold.
Andre over there wiping down the tables.
Hi.
Got some broccoli going.
Mommy, can I try? Mommy.
You guys, can you watch Daniel Tiger?
Yeah, Mommy, can I watch the tiger? Mommy,
Yes, you can watch the anytime.
So it's time. This is the Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Dun, 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 dun. Now they're watching Daniel Tiger. Just pick one.
I want to pick the seasons. I love seasons. Okay, what season you want? You want to watch season 1, season 2, Season 3, Season 4, Season 5, Season 6, Season 7, Season 8, Season 9.
Well, I'll see y'all little ones later.
High five.
Really? Really? She loves to eat.
Can't wait to eat it too. Fries are almost done. So today about to be good eating. What? You know it's about to be good, girl. Going down. Sometimes you see dancing. You're trying to take out. Huh? Still cooking. Yeah, you can. You can get some of that broccoli. Okay, broccoli.
You do have eyes, you know.
Really? Why do you know it's bad?
That's the king. No, this is the side. You don't like that. Right here, y'all look great. In the little one.
Got this broccoli.
It's looking good on the table.
Broccoli. Yeah.
Gotta put this broccoli over there. That's it.
It's the food. She over there ready to eat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. King and Makari, come. King and Makari, come. Y'all ready to eat?
And then there's pickles. Who wanna? I want one.
They can have a pickle. They can have a pickle. It's my pickle. But y'all can have a pickle. Little Dre, you know he want a pickle. He like pickles.
What was that song again?
Hey, hey, hey. Like Little Rascals. Yeah, you like hamburgers?
For more science videos like these, plus
You like it, Makari?
start your free trial today.
Yeah, go ahead. Ken, you ready for me to do your hair?
Good.
And for Daddy to shape it up again? Yeah. You said it tastes good? Good. So tell everybody what you like the most.
The French fries.
The French fries?
Daddy and Mommy giving y'all something to eat.
Yeah. What you like the most, Yana? You like all of it? Look at Mazzali back there. Good. I know, right? She said, bring that plate over here.
Which one you want first? You got hot dog, French fries, and broccoli.
Look at you looking.
You might as well have a seat and eat with the rest of it. Here go Mama.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
I like the burger.
Okay, reach in that microwave and give me the knife.
Thank you.
Out of the microwave.
Baby eating the Daddy's finest grilling foods. Hamburgers and hot dogs. Propane. Propane.
Is that good stuff for you? Look, too late. I'm gonna get the broccoli. Go ahead and eat it.
Say hi. Say hi.
You said hi. Hi.
All right. Go ahead and eat. You can go ahead and eat. I'll leave you alone.
Yeah, you like, oh, let me eat now.
This is how they do. Everybody head turned to the, look at them, all of them turned to the side. They ain't even looking at the table with their food, they looking at this.
Alright, I'm gonna try to eat my food over here.
Probably just sit right next to her and give her the food.
Okay. So yeah. This right here is my chicken and shrimp. Y'all see that? Look at that. That's just way too good.
Them things are huge, and the jumbos, shrimp,
It's gonna be good too.
steaming.
Cause I'm about to cook it down a little bit more. And that's pretty much it.